Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful, flawless, timeless makeup look. This will be a step-by-step tutorial. It will be simple, easy, beginner friendly. You will learn from skincare to the end result. So let's get started. Here I'm showing you guys the cleanser that I use to wash my face with, which is the Exuviance cleanser. Then I also use the Exuviance microdermabrasion. And now I'm going in with their daily exfoliating pads. This exfoliating pad really helped to kind of set that perfect base for that makeup. It's something that's my go-to whenever I do makeup on myself or on my clients. This is going to take away any dry patches that you may have on your face, but it also helps to put moisture to the surface of your skin. So it is my go-to when it comes to prepping the skin. You notice that I also went in with eye cream and I'm applying a moisturizer on the skin. Here you want to make sure that your moisturizer and the foundation you're using on your face are compatible. That way there won't be any rolling or separating of your foundation or your moisturizer. The next thing here you notice I am also applying a glowing skin tint underneath this makeup. This is going to help with that radiance that you see I'm going to have in the end. That radiant finish comes from the product from Revolution. Oh, and just so you guys know, all the information for the products that I will be using in this makeup tutorial will be listed in the description below. And the foundation you see me applying here is the Juvia's Place foundation. And I really like to use a powder brush to apply this foundation with. And the reason is because the powder brush gives me more like an airbrush finish. And so I just start using a powder brush to apply my foundation. This is a new thing that I started to do lately. After applying the foundation, I went in with filling in the brows and really making sure that the brows is perfect, because on your wedding day, you want your makeup to be perfect, flawless, and timeless. So I would not advise anybody to be doing any trend whatsoever when it comes to makeup for your wedding day, because those pictures will be hanging in your house forever. After I was finished with my brows, I went ahead and apply a concealer on my lid and blend that out. This is what I'm going to use as my eyeshadow primer. I really like to use a concealer because I feel like it does the job so much better than a primer. And then you notice that I went ahead and I set that. The color that I'm using here is a very universal color. It's a perfect color for bridal makeup. And if you notice, I went straight ahead, applied my mascara. Now I'm applying concealer. This concealer that I'm using is the Too Faced concealer, because again, I have fine lines under my eyes, so I want hydration underneath the eyes. And the concealer you see me use the second time, I'm using that for a brightening effect, and I'm putting it in the center of my face like you see me doing here. And that's a Morphe concealer that I'm using. I'm just going to blend this out. And just as a side tip, guys, if you're getting married, I always recommend to go ahead and go to Ulta and get your hands on those Exuviance performance peel and do them at least 6 months before your wedding. I'm telling you, it will transform your skin and it will make your skin look beautiful and flawless on the day of your wedding. So that's a side tip and a pro tip. Now I'm going in with my second coat of mascara, and the one that I'm using is from the Kylie Cosmetics. And I'm using two coats because literally I have no eyelashes if I don't do this. After I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to finish up with the face. I'm applying the bronzer all around the face in the areas where I need to apply bronzer. So do not just follow any techniques at all. You want to keep your shape of your face in mind. That's the way that I am bronzing around my face here. And just to add some glow, you notice I applied it on the tip of my nose and the inner part of my face. And I'm going in with a blush. This blush actually have shimmer in it because when I set everything, I want it to really glow on my skin. The lip gloss that I'm using here is one from NYX. And this is what the finished product looked like. Of course, I did went ahead and apply a setting spray. I did not show this on here, but the setting spray that I used is the Revolution setting spray. So just so you guys know, if you're outside, you want the Revolution setting spray, the dewy one for those of you who have dry skin, or the matte one for those of you who have oily skin. Okay guys, that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you felt like you learned something or you enjoy videos like these, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos that I share. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about this video. Was it easy enough to follow? Is it something that you would try? I want to know what you think.